Hi everyone, I'm Michelle, and today on Couch Therapy I bought some more stuff from Miss A. Alright, I went shopping again on shopmissa.com. It took a little longer for it to get to me this time, and I think that had to do with the weather. Our weather has been so crazy lately. And as you can tell, I put this in front of the fireplace because it's cold and I'm freezing. So let's get into what I got. I did get the, I ordered $35 worth of stuff again. I have it all like in a tote right here, so I could get free shipping. The first thing I got that I really thought were cute, these are the pink Aviator glasses, and I love sunglasses, so these are adorable. Now the whole world is in pink. They had multiple different styles of them, but these are, you know, I want to say they're just $1. I mean, for $1. Yeah. Put those away. I got, finally got the, it says Microfiber Washcloth. This is supposed to be the makeup remover washcloth. It's pretty small. It's just $1. It's made by Aoa. I wanted to give it a try for just like a quick wipe to remove my makeup. So I also got the, this is the razor kit. I want to say the whole kit is $7. Let me open it. I did open it up to kind of look at it, but I wanted to try this because some of those razors are expensive. So it does come with the handle and, whoa, okay, hey, stay in there. Looks like you've got 4 blades, a blade on the handle, and then like a sticky thing to hang it up by. But I want to give it a try. I mean, it looks like a pretty nice razor. And then you could buy the refill packs with just the blades. I want to say they're $5 for the refill kit, but you get the starter kit for $7. That's really not bad compared to some of the more expensive razors. I also got the new body brush. It's a soft bristle, which is nice, made out of wood. I got some of the Detox Dry Shampoo. I'm gonna give this a try too. What's this favorite? Wild Lilies? It's the blade. Yeah, I believe that's the scent of it. It smells pretty good. Give that a try. I also got some nail art decals, some of the rhinestones. I really need to do my nails. I also got the, it's like the cuticle pushers. Got that. Sugar Fix Lip Scrub by Aoa. Give this a try too. I wonder what it smells like. This is supposed to be strawberry. Let's see if it smells like strawberry. I'm like unpackaging everything right here. It came last week, but the change in the weather, it just made me feel like crap. But that smells really good. It's a sugar scrub for your lips. I definitely need that. My lips are so chapped from this weather. I got the Cuticle Oil. Comes in the pen. Now I think I had this before. I don't remember where I bought it, but I think it came with a kit. So this has got the little brush end that you take this end and you twist it and it'll come out this end. I do like the nail oil, the Cuticle nail oil. Okay, and this is the Aoa Wonder Matte Lipstick. And what color did I get? This one is in, I can't read it. Why do I never grab my glasses? I never grab my glasses. Why do I not? I know better. Because I can't see anything. Haha, we'll open it up, take a look. I prefer the matte lipsticks. I don't have any lipstick on today, but it's kind of like a plummy color? Plummy color? Is that a word? It's pretty. Ah. I just can't swatch, can I? That's pretty. Okay. I also got a lip liner. This is by LA Colors. It's just a lip liner. I thought it would match that. I also got, I wanted to try, where's the front of it? This is a multivitamin serum. Is this a serum? Just a plain moisturizer. Okay, it's a multivitamin moisturizer. If I can get it open. Boom. Okay. That's a decent sized jar. Let's see if, I don't remember if this is unscented or not. Really mild scent to it. No safety seal though. Feels pretty good. I'm trying to find a spot on my hand. Yeah. I would say it's unscented. I really don't smell anything to it. But it's a vitamin moisturizer. Feels good. Didn't soak in directly, but my hands are really dry. I also, I got a pair of cute earrings. I'm liking their jewelry. It's not bad. I have this ring on, and what's nice about it, I've had it on for like a week. There's kind of like a plastic coating on it, so it doesn't tarnish. It doesn't turn my finger green. Yeah, it's nice. Also got the Aoa Studio Perfect Finishing Powder. It's a pressed powder. I got another lipstick, another matte lipstick. This is a little bit darker than the other one. And then the Aoa Lip Balm in Strawberry. Of course, we gotta open it to see what it's like. I'll try not to get lipstick all over myself. I was trying to see how that matte dried down. You know, that's not bad. Hang on. All right, which way we go? I mean, it's smeared a little bit, but that part isn't completely dry. We'll test it here in just a second. Let it finish drying down. Because I always get lipstick all over me. I don't know why. Let's get the lip balm out. I love strawberry lip balms. If it's strawberry, I like strawberry. This is supposed to be like a hydrating lip balm. Like I said, my lips in the wintertime are awful. Okay, it's a pink color. That's nice. Definitely strawberry. I got, one more. I got some more of the Full Lips, the lip pumping lip gloss. Got this more of in a pink. I think last time I got just a gloss. So I got a color to try. I got the Vita Glow, Aoa Vita Glow. I believe this is a, yeah, tinted moisturizer. And I love tinted moisturizers, so I was curious to see how their tinted moisturizer compares. Let's take this off. What color did I get? I think I just got light tone, I believe. And let's see what it looks like. And that's not bad. My hands are all red and dry and cracked. I'm gonna let that kind of dry and see what that does sitting on my hand. I get makeup all over me. It feels pretty good. It doesn't feel sticky. I'd say it's not a bad match. I do believe it just said light tone. It's a little yellow. I have a really hard time matching my skin tone anyway. Okay, what else did I get? I got the Aoa lipstick. Is this the this Aoa Studio Lips? As soon as I can open it. I really needed more lipstick. That's pretty. Ooh, that's a red. I can't do that in the viewfinder. Of course, I'm putting it over lip gloss. Uh-oh. I have no lips. I also got more strawberry. Magic Lip Glow. It's another lip gloss, right? This is Kissing Fruit Gloss. Yep, it's another gloss. And I had gotten, I don't know what I did with the rest of them. I had some of these bobby pins. This one came with a barrette, which is in my hair right here. The bobby pin, I tried to wear it. It's a pretty thick bobby pin. Same with this one, it came with a bobby pin. I wanted to try it. This is like a little hair clip. I mean, it's pretty. Let me put it where you can kind of see it. Maybe here. Am I gonna stay in my hair? No, not really. Ow. They're decently made. I'd be afraid of maybe the stones falling off, but the little butterfly, I thought that was cute. They make great little gifts. There's no like liquid inside of it. It's kind of like shake it and it moves around. I mean, that is cute. Ow. Let's see. I do believe that was it. I will, let's see, I think I have another order coming in another week. Everything was kind of delayed because of the weather. I think everybody's had bad weather across the whole United States, from snowstorms to ice storms to thunderstorms and tornadoes. Right now we have a ice storm going on here, so yeah. But I think that's it for this shopping spree that I did. So thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.